a lot of what we do is research and try, and 9 times out of 10, what we're trying is not going to work. So it's a lot of trying to solve a puzzle that might not have a solution. And I always coach folks who are trying to go into the industry that, if you like solving problems, you might like this job, but you also have to like solving problems that might not have an answer. Sometimes the answer is that there's just not a flaw here. There's nothing to find. And that can be really difficult, especially if you're doing that every day, day in and day out. That imposter syndrome, that kind of that lack of dopamine from finding the thing can happen really easily. But also, there's more to the job than just finding flaws. Sometimes that means writing a report. And sometimes when you deliver that report, you have to explain what you found. And there's a lot of kind of, talking about empathy and working with stakeholders and developers and whoever it is that's receiving that finding to explain why this is important. So there's a lot of storytelling in it as well. But just there's a lot of different dimensions of what we call penetration testing and pen testing and red teaming and all those different pieces that really make up the job.